Have you ever opened Android Studio, ready to dive into your project, only to find that the AVD Manager is nowhere to be seen? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve the mystery of the missing AVD Manager. I totally get it. You install Android Studio, and you expect everything to work seamlessly. But when the AVD Manager is missing, it can feel like you've hit a brick wall. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users have faced this issue. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently asked, why is the AVD Manager not visible in Android Studio 2.32? They mentioned that it should be under the Tools menu, but it simply isn't there. Sound familiar? Let's work together to find a solution. So what could be causing this? The AVD Manager might not be visible due to a few reasons, such as an incomplete installation, a missing plugin, or even a glitch in the software. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a quick tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To make the AVD Manager visible in Android Studio, the user should first check if the Android SDK is properly installed. This is crucial for accessing the AVD Manager. Next, the user should verify that the necessary SDK tools are installed. This includes the Android emulator and the Intel x86 emulator accelerator. After confirming the SDK tools, the user should restart Android Studio. This can help refresh the interface and make the AVD Manager appear. If the AVD Manager is still not visible, the user can try resetting the Android Studio settings. This can resolve any configuration issues. Finally, if none of these steps work, the user may consider reinstalling Android Studio. This can ensure that all components are correctly installed. Did you know? The first Android emulator was so slow that it made watching paint dry seem exciting. Thankfully, we've come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+A. This opens a search bar where you can type AVD Manager and select it. From there, you can manage your virtual devices, including launching, editing configurations, and deleting devices. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution suggests that you can find the AVD Manager by navigating to Tools, then Android, and finally AVD Manager. To make the AVD Manager icon visible, right-click on the toolbar and select Customize Menu and Toolbar. Choose the main toolbar and click on Restore Default. This will make the AVD Manager visible again. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution from another user suggests first ensuring that you have installed the Android emulator from the SDK Manager. After that, navigate to the Tools menu and select Android, then AVD Manager. If the AVD Manager is still not visible, check your settings. Go to Settings, then Plugins, and ensure that Android support is installed. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution from another user suggests checking if the Android plugin is enabled in your Android Studio. To do this, go to File, then Settings, and type Plugin in the search bar. Make sure the Android plugin is checked, and then restart Android Studio. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always keep your Android Studio updated. Regular updates can prevent many issues, including missing tools. And there you have it. The AVD Manager should be visible now. Remember, keeping your tools updated is key to a smooth development experience. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your Android development workflow.